Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a quick, sleek, curly ponytail on my natural hair. And the hair that I'm going to be using today is HairAreUs. I'm using 2 bundles only of the Indian Curly in inches 22 and 20. So to start off, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. It's a little bit damp, and I'm just going in with my Hawaiian Silk leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to section my hair in sections and detangle with my Watercolor comb from ends to roots. I'm also sealing my hair with my Argan of Morocco oil from Organics. This stuff makes my hair so soft, you guys. I love this stuff, and I'm also doing it to add extra shine. Also, as I'm parting each section, I'm going in with my Eco Styler olive oil, and I'm just putting it on my roots so that I can get my roots super sleek so that my ponytail is as sleek as possible. And y'all, I know I be making some of the craziest facial expressions. I be so serious in this camera. But yeah, I look a hot mess, so just give me about 10 minutes, I'm gonna get right. So as I'm coming to the top, I'm now starting to use my soft bristle brush, and I'm just smoothing everything down, smoothing my edges, and smoothing the Eco Styler gel out. I don't like using the hard bristle brush. I just use the soft bristle brushes on my hair, only because I feel like the hard ones are a little bit too much tension. So yeah, I'm just working from left to right, pulling the rest back in a ponytail, and then doing the same on the right side. So now, before we pull it back in a ponytail, I'm now using my Gorilla Snot just a little bit so that I can get all the flyaways, all the little natural little slip-aways I like to slip up. And also, Eco Styler Gel does not hold my hair good enough, so I use Gorilla Snot to hold everything in place. And then I'm taking my brush and smoothing it down, getting it as smooth as possible, and pulling it in a very low ponytail. And then a bun. Now, to get my bun as small as possible, I'm just going to twist it and just twist and twist and twist, and then wrap it around the ponytail, and take one of my elastic bands and tie it in place. I can't really explain it, but you'll see. So now that that is done, I'm going to take my longest bundle, which is my 22-inch, and I'm going to double weft it. So I'm going to leave it in double wefts and then take the ends of each weft and grab a piece of hair from each end and wrap it around my bun. This is to secure the track onto my hair so that when I'm wrapping it around, it's not moving, you know, it's not going to snatch off my hair. If I was to pull my hair, it's going to stay secured. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin and stick it in and make sure that that piece of strand that I wrapped around my bun is secured tightly. Here it's pretty easy. I just take the bundle and continue to wrap the weft around my bun until I come up to the end. And when I come up to the end, I basically end how I started. So I take the end of the weft and I take a piece of hair, wrap it around the bun, and then secure it down with a bobby pin. So I just want to let you guys know I did lose a clip when I went in with the next bundle. So after I finished this bundle, I did take my 20-inch bundle and I did the same exact thing. The only thing different I did was once I came up to the end of the weft, I braided that piece of hair. Then I wrapped it around my ponytail and secured it down with a bobby pin. To finish off this whole look and kind of clean it up some, I'm basically just doing some simple baby hairs. I'm not doing nothing too crazy. Y'all, I literally decided to record this video at the last minute before I went out. So everything took about 15 minutes long, and that's not including washing my hair. So I wasn't trying to do nothing too crazy with my baby hairs. I just wanted to look nice. So I just basically brushed the baby hairs forward and freeze it in place with my Got2b gel. And I took my comb and did some old school swoops. I did a couple of swoops on the front and bam, I'm done. I'm out the door, did my makeup, and it's completed, it's finished. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk the rest of this video. Everything's pretty self-explanatory. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.